this is me, Abhishek Shorkar from Techmaster, and you're watching the episodes of online earning. So, guys, if you're interested in online earning and make some extra bucks, then you have to click the subscribe button down there and hit the notification button to get the new notifications from YouTube whenever I upload my videos. So, guys, let's begin with our today's topic. So guys, today I have brought you an app from the Play Store. It is 100% genuinely trusted and it is also has an website. So guys, I will better recommend you to work from the app. Okay, it gives you free Paytm cash. Okay, there is nothing free in this world. You have to work over here, not very much high timing you need over here, only 10 to 20 minutes per day. Okay, you have to work over here. It has no country restrictions. Each and every person from each and every country can work over here, and it has no age restrictions. So the app is called the Taskbucks. Okay, you all know it is a very popular worldwide used app for earning extra cash. So it in India it is giving its payout through Paytm cash. And what you have to do, how you have to earn the money over here, how you have to take the payout over here, all these questions will be answered in this video only. So if you want to know all these questions answered, then you have to watch the video till the end without any skip. So let's move on to my mobile phone screen.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I have opened the app on my mobile phone, and this is the interface after you open the app on your mobile phone screen. The link of the app will be given in the description. You can go and check out the description and download the app from the Play Store. Okay, after downloading the app from the Play Store, you have to sign up over here using your mail id or your phone number. Okay, I will recommend you guys to use only your phone number over here, because if you want to take out your money from here, then you have to use your Paytm. Okay, for that you need your Paytm number, and for that only I am asking you guys or recommending you to use the phone number over here. After you sign up over here, you have to log in over here using your phone number and your password. Then you have to go to your profile section over here as I'm showing you, and you have to verify your phone number over here, your mail address over here, and your profile over here. After verifying all these three things, you will get instantly rupees 1 in your Tasbucks wallet. Okay, so what are the things by how you can earn the money over here? I'm going to explain it. Firstly, you can earn it through the referral over here. You can see get rupees 25 over here. After you click it, your WhatsApp will open up and you can share over there. Okay, if your friend joins and log ins or sign up into this app, you will instantly get 25 rupees after your friend uses it for at least 7 days. The second way is the profile section. I have shown over here the profile section. You can earn only rupees 1 and it will be for lifetime and only once. The second section is done, and the third way is to install different types of app, do as per the instructions, and you're going to earn money like that. See guys, I have earned over here 34 rupees. Okay, so how going to earn by installing the apps? For example, I take this one, extra marks. Okay, I click on the icon of the extra marks over here, and these are the steps I have to do. If I do these steps correctly, I'm going to get rupees 10 in my wallet. Okay, what I have to do, install and register on the app to get rupees 10 guaranteed. Okay, after you click on that install now, you have to use the app for at least half an hour. Okay, you have to register over here and you have to use the app for half an hour. Okay, after that rupees 10 will be credited to your Taskbucks wallet. So the next thing I'm moving on is how you are going to take out or withdraw your money over here. For withdrawing your money, you have to click on the amount that you have earned over here. There are two ways of withdrawing money over here. One is the Paytm cash. Sorry guys, the ad has popped up. Let that finish. Okay, there are two ways. Okay, get free Paytm cash and free recharges. You can recharge, or you can take out the money directly to your Paytm wallet. Okay, for that you have to click on free Paytm cash, then you have to select the amount, 5 rupees or 10 rupees. They are going to give out the whole amount in installments of 5 rupees and 10 rupees. I'm going to select 10 rupees and then I'm going to select confirm. After selecting confirm, you can see over here they only give cash out on Fridays from during 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. over here. Okay, and for free recharges, sorry guys, the ad has again popped up, so wait. So you can also use it for free recharges. Okay, so guys, I think you have understood how you have to earn money over here, and I think this is a great way of income, and it is a simple, very simple way of income. And if you guys want to earn more like this, then you have to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. With doing that, you have to also like this video, comment on this video and share this video with your friends and family. Till then, stay tuned, be happy, be fine. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.